Making a video about all calibers having the no start issue. Mine happens to be an '08 SRT. It's a 2.4 turbo. I think my engine codes were coming up were the security, anti-security, and injector problems. A lot of guys were having all sorts of different codes thrown, but all the same problem. It wasn't starting, it wasn't doing anything. People were replacing batteries, starters, alternators, everything but what the problem is. But I had this problem a couple years ago, and I figured out what it was, and I'll show you what I did to fix it. Now, what I did was when you pop the fuse box off, if your fuse box looks like this, with no relays in it, you're like, oh, well, why is there any relays? It keeps telling me that I'm having a relay problem. And when you get to that point, like, well, where are my relays at? Well, they're not in there. It took me about a week to figure it out, but what it is, I just happened to be putting new headlights, HIDs, in my car, so I figured I'd make this video now for you. The fuse box is up here. Here's your fender, your bumper will wrap around, your headlight will be right here. Right here, this little box right here, behind your horn is the relay box. Get it off here. There is your relay box. You have the 5 relays in there. The one that went bad for me and most likely is going bad for you is this one. All 5 of these are all the same relay. So just pop it off, and then the number will be on the top there. I went to wherever I went, just gave them the number because a couple years ago when I went asking them for the relay, they couldn't look one up. It says your car doesn't have any relays. I went to the dealership. The dealership said, no, the cars don't have any relays. So I took them about a week, pulled it all apart. That's where it was at. Driver's side of the car, horn, relay box. You can try to get to it. From what I did at the time was I just took this off and peeled this back, went in there, and trust me, it was a bitch. It was a pain in the ass to do. But to get the whole front clip of the car off here, the front end of the car, the bumper, the top valence is there, and then the headlight took me maybe a half an hour, and trust me, it is way quicker to do that than try to do it the way I did. It took 3 of us all night till about 4 in the morning, first off to find it and then change it. So take the headlight out, take the bumper off if you want. You don't take this off, pop the cover off. That's the relay that is making your car not start.